Hey guys, don't you love pancakes? And don't you wish you could add it to your meal plan so that you could gain some muscle? Well, here is a few ways that you can make your pancakes high in protein. So, the first thing you can do is to find a protein pancake mix that you can find on Amazon or your local groceries. If you look at the nutritional facts in the back, you will see that these are usually high in protein and probably high in fiber as well. The next thing you can do to add some protein to your pancakes would be to find some form of protein milk that has way more protein. This one in my local grocery has around 18 grams and it has 5 grams of fat, which is not too bad. And if you want to lose some weight and you want to drop some calories, you can always take a 0-calorie syrup like this one. You can see that it actually has 0 calories and, well, pretty much nothing. And that's all. Now you can get some high protein pancake and still get those gains. Thank you for listening and have a blessed day.